Mark, welcome to the Law Show.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. What can we do for you?
I have a question. Recently, I'm in the process of going through foreclosure. It's all. I mean, the sheriff sale's done and everything. My redemption period ends August 16th.
Okay.
We actually are 99% moved out of our house, so we found another place. We're renting. It's we're all set.
Do you know who is it that foreclosed on you?
The mortgage company.
Are you sure it was the mortgage company? What does the sheriff's deed say?
You know what? I pulled a copy of that because I actually called your office and talked to Justin maybe a month ago.
Right.
To get some information. Who, by the way, I would just throw a little plug in. For somebody I couldn't believe how accessible he was. Someone answered the phone and immediately I was on with him, and then from there he gave me about 10 minutes of his time and answered a bunch of questions and really just set me up completely to take care of the rest of basically myself. Well,
hats off to Justin Grove, just as there is, that's the way we do things at the Dailey Law Firm. If people aren't prepared to work for us and do that kind of thing and be accessible to our clients, they don't work for the Dailey Law Firm. So thank you very much for those nice comments.
But anyway, back on topic. So we're moved out, everything's done. Justin talked about doing cash for keys. I called the mortgage company, or actually I called another law firm the mortgage company had hired that I got in a bunch of mail from when we were going through the process.
Yes.
And that attorney, who was also very nice to me, said, well, the mortgage company's not going to be interested in doing cash for keys because this property is set to go to Fannie Mae.
Okay.
So after the 15th or the 16th, after my redemption period. So I'm wondering, what do I do? Because now I'm basically out. Do I need to do anything? Who do I give the keys over to? Who do I contact? That sort of stuff.
I think you could. I think you could surrender the keys to the law firm representing the bank that foreclosed on you. But I wouldn't do anything. Listen, I wouldn't do anything until you call back and talk to Justin this week. We won't charge you for the advice we give you, and oftentimes we don't charge for the advice we give people. We have a free initial consultation to everybody who calls, and that can include coming in and talking to us on a number of different occasions. So I would go back to Justin, tell him what your progress is, and ask him for his advice, and he'll give you some good advice, okay?
Okay.
Thanks for calling the Law Show,
Right,
and again, thanks for those nice comments.
Much.
Very good.
Nope.
We're going to continue answering all your legal questions at 855-LAW-SHOW. That's 855-LAW-SHOW.